What I have here is a copy of an old electrical power bill for me. The bill is coming from National Grid, but all the utilities are roughly the same. This bill has a lot of extra information, and I'll gloss through it pretty quickly. The first thing is, even though it says my amount due is $141, that's part of what we call a balanced payment amount. The idea is, from this graph down here, some months I use a lot of electricity, then not so much, then a lot, not so much, a lot. This depends on a lot of things like temperature. What the electric company lets me do is just pay an even amount every month. So long as I pay off all my kilowatt hours by the end of the year, they don't care how I do it. For this particular month, I used about $155 worth of electricity, and that bought me some kilowatt hours. The exact breakdown of the cost is down here. They charge you just to be a customer. They charge you to move the electricity. They charge you for the deals that they make with the suppliers. They charge you for mass save and other energy incentives, and then for using renewable energy. All that's tucked into the 155. Again, and that bought me this number of kilowatt hours, 709 kilowatt hours. What we're going to be able to do with this is to figure out how much it costs for each kilowatt hour that we use. And what we need for that is cost in dollars per kilowatt hours of energy. And that's going to be the cost per unit of energy, kilowatt hours. $155 bought me 709 kilowatt hours. Cost per kilowatt, the per should indicate that we're doing division. So the actual amount that it costs is fairly low. It's less than $1. Realistically, it's not going to be something like $4 per kilowatt hour. Expect something in the 25-cent range, something about that. And we're going to use that to figure out the cost of a bunch of different devices that we run in the house.